Long ago I bought this set of router bits. It came with a convenient case to store all the bits, and the plastic holders that the bits are in flip up for easy access to the bits. This has been working pretty well over the years, but I wanted to make something to mount on the new French Cleat wall that I added above the router and sander. So I made this. When I first started thinking about how to make this, I thought I might make it similar to the Forstner bit holder, with 3D printed racks built into a plywood frame and maybe some laser etched labels. But then I thought the racks that these bits are in actually don't look too bad, and they already have labels on them. So I decided I'd mount them to a wooden frame with some 3D printed clips to hold them in place. The rack clips in nice and easy, so if I want to take some of the router bits to another part of the shop, then I can pop out a rack and snap it back in when I'm done. The wood frame is made from scraps out of the bin. I have a lot of these long, thin cut-offs from the cabinet build, and a couple of larger pieces that I can use for the sides. I started with the sides. I cut them both to the same dimension on the table saw, so that I can join them together with some double-sided tape. And then mark out a curve to cut on the bandsaw. While still taped together, I use the belt sander to smooth out the curve. The narrow scraps get trimmed to width, and then cut to length with a crosscut sled. I've been using some old chalkboard paint to cover the ends of the plywood on other projects, and it's been working out really well so far. So I keep up the trend and paint all the visible edges with this chalkboard paint. I didn't end up using the laser etcher to make labels for this, but I did use it to add a little bit of decoration to the holder. I used pocket holes to keep the fasteners hidden, and they should be more than strong enough to hold this together. There's a little support piece across the back here as well, and a French cleat so that I can hang it on the wall. And that's done. Up on the wall it goes. It's a pretty quick and simple build. Feel free to leave any comments below, let me know what you think of the build, or if you have any questions, or just want to say hello. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing and leave me a thumbs up. Click here to learn more about the shop cabinets.